Morning guys! Today is February 4, Tuesday. So nag-absent ako ngayon kasi nga kailangan namin ipatingin yung coach sa shop kasi may naamoy na amoy goma daw sabi ni Mami. And nagtuloy-tuloy pala yung yung snow dito sa Richmond. Unlike doon sa vlog ko last Saturday or Sunday, sabi ko na tunaw na. Pero nakikita nyo, nagtuloy-tuloy yung snow. Buti lang din napag-file ako ng leave ngayon. Kasi sabi ni Mami wala daw pasok yung mga bata because of the snow.
But I have...
Ha?
But I have school.
Pero si Mami masama yung loob kasi may pasok. Sumama loob mo may pasok ka.
Richmond School District! Bakit hindi niyo kailangan sa school?
Sa public school kasi siya nag-work as a education assistant eh. Tataka siya bakit sila may pasok. Yung mga bebe kasi sa Catholic school, so private sila, nagpadala ng message sa mga parents na walang pasok. So siya may pasok sa private. So siya may pasok sa private, sa public. So siya may pasok sa public, pero yung mga bebe na nasa private wala silang pasok. Hello ate, Mommy said you have no school today.
Huh? Yeah.
Because of the snow. So you had to stay with me. Good thing I asked for a leave today.
Huh? Actually?
Yeah.
Huh?
So you're lucky, huh?
Wait, what?
We're going to the shop later, okay? Car shop.
Is that actually snowing?
Yeah.
Wait, what? I don't get it. I woke up early for nothing.
What do you mean early? It's already 6:45, silly.
Well, good to know.
Kahit nga ako, ginawa ko, pinrepare ko na yung mga baon ng mga bata. Kasi akala ko may school sila. Ako kasi gumagawa ng baon ng mga bata eh. So later, come with me, huh? We're going to the shop, you and Rai Rai. Because Mommy said the car smells like burnt rubber. Okay? Okay.
Hey, love!
I have a surprise for you. You have no school today.
She's sad because she always wants to go to school. Only this one.
Oh, you're sad because
Yeah.
you have no school today?
Yeah. Only this one wants.
Oh, mahulog, mahulog.
Mahulog ka.
Oh, baba na, baba na, baba na. Ano sabi mo, Mami?
I said, side streets are bad. The side streets
Kasi hindi pinaplawan, no?
Hindi pinaplawan.
Mga main street
yung
lang.
Yung main street, so-so.
Suso pa rin. Yun ang problema dito sa Richmond, guys. Eh. Parang walang pondo yung municipal government sa pagpapalaw ng snow.
Yeah, nakakainis.
Pagdating sa mga side streets, talagang matataas yung level ng snow tambak, hindi napaplaw. Pero sa main street naman, kahit pa paano, napaplaw. Pero hindi gano'ng kapulido. To think na hindi gano'ng kalakas yung bagsak ng snow dito sa Richmond. So, what to do yan? Ibuti lang naka-winter tire kami. Alright. Eat your breakfast na?
Sad.
Eat your breakfast na yan, ha?
Sad face. Yay, no school!
Yeah, let's go! Okay, let's go. Wow. Medyo makapal yung snow ngayon, ha?
Yeah, I told you that there's more snow.
Yeah, there's more snow today.
I told you, Daddy.
Looks like you can play. We can actually make a snowman later.
Yeah.
And... Wow. Dahil parang nasa North Pole, oh.
This is so unfair. Ako lang ang may work.
Wow.
May pasok.
We can actually make a snowman later. Daming supply ng snow. Ay, si Mr. Jim nagpaplaw, oh. Siya yung aming caretaker sa building. Yan si Mr. Jim, yung nakikita niyo na yan. Buti na lang. Ito ang dahil pagka-apartment yung tinitirhan nyo, guys. Hindi nyo problema yung pagpaplaw ng snow, pagpapala, pagsha-shovel. Yung building ang gagawa. Unlike pagka bahay ang tinitirhan nyo, well, kailangan nyong i-plow yung kalsada, yung harap ng bahay nyo. Kasi pag may nadulas doon, kasalanan ninyo. So, obligasyon ng mga homeowners dito na i-plow yung kalsada nila, sa harap ng kalsada nila. Ayun, nagpipicture-picture, no? Hurry up! Still have to clean the car. Ate, mababasa yung jacket mo. Hindi ka talaga nagdadala. Your jacket's gonna get wet. I thought someone's supposed to clean our snow.
Hey?
I thought someone.
Oh,
Like
we
a
have
company.
a snowplow company, yeah. They do the driveway. Yeah, I don't know how many times they're gonna do it. Yeah, sidewalks, unfortunately, well,
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jin.
Ito yung kotse na puno na naman ng snow.
Oh, wow.
Okay, get inside na.
Can I clean it?
I will clean it myself.
No, I want to let me too.
Get inside, get inside. Once you're inside, it's gonna be so dark.
I wanna
Get inside.
Is it open?
Get inside, it's gonna be so dark.
I'm scared.
No! Go, go, go. Get inside! You too, Rada, get inside.
Now cause for now. Oh no!
Alam mo kahapon, grabe din yung snow.
Bakit?
Alam mo kahapon, after school,
Oh,
grabe din yung snow. Ang kapal lang nilinis ko.
oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Hindi, si Mami, may taas pa si Mami. Bye, Mami. See you later.
Bye-bye, ingat ka.
-5. -5 degrees. Kaya pala nag-i-snow. Yung mga bata. Okay pa kasi. So finally, nakapaglaro din sa snow yung mga bata. Buti na lang kahit paano maganda yung snow na bumagsak today. So hindi natin alam kung tatagal ito for 1 week or maybe in a few days lang. Pero at least kaya paano nag-enjoy sila. And gusto ko lang palang i-share sa inyo guys, no? So yung tariff pala na pinatong ni Donald Trump sa Canada at yung counter tariff na ipinatong naman ng Canada sa Amerika. So for now, on hold muna yon, on pause muna yon for 30 days. Kasi nagkasundo si Donald Trump at saka si...
Daddy, since my hair's messy, can you remove this? And clean my face, please. Can you remove this?
Which one?
This.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's gonna be messy now. I'm gonna fix your hair.
Okay.
A few moments later.
So yun nga, mabalik tayo sa kwento ko. So yun nga, on pause muna yung nangyaring tariff war in between Canada and America kasi nag-usap nga si Donald Trump tsaka si Justin Trudeau at ang napagkasunduan nila is maglalagay daw ng 10,000 frontline personnel ang Canada sa border para ma-protect yung border ng Canada. In addition to that, mag-a-appoint ng fentanyl CSAR ang Canada. Tapos, sabi dito, Canada will ensure to have a 24/7 eyes on the border. They will list cartels as terrorists. So yung drug cartels, mga terrorists daw yun, mga Mexican drug cartels. Tapos they will launch a Canada-US Joint Strike Force to combat organized crime, fentanyl, and money laundering. Tapos sabi ni Justin Trudeau, I have also signed a new intelligence directive on organized crime and fentanyl, and we will be backing it for $200 million daw, sabi ni Justin Trudeau. So proposed tariffs will be paused for at least 30 days while we work together. So hindi muna ipapatong yung tariffs ng Amerika sa Canada, and yung Canada sa Amerika will be on pause muna yung tariffs for 30 days. So yun lang guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kasi last time nung nablita ako sa inyo, nagpatong ng tariff ang Amerika sa Canada and nag-retaliate naman yung Canada sa Amerika by also putting 25% tariff sa mga products ng Amerika going into Canada, pero on pause muna yon. So, yun lang. So, balik tayo sa paglalaro sa snow.
The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not.
We did it! That was fun! So there you go guys. Kahit na hindi madalas mag-snow dito sa Richmond, kahit na napakadalang lang, pero kapag nag-snow ng ganito, kahit pa paano nai-enjoy naman namin. So yung mga bata, buti na lang wala silang pasok at buti na lang ako nag-absent ako ngayong araw. Nagkasabay-sabay tapos maganda yung snow, hindi umuulan. Talagang perfect timing. Sayang wala nga lang si Mami kasi pumasok si Mami. Pero at least kahit pa paano, yung mga bata nakapag-enjoy. At kahit bukas mawala na tong snow, mawash out na tong snow bukas, okay na kami. Na-experience na namin yung snow. Sabi ko nga, hindi maganda yung...
Bye-bye!
What? Sabi ko nga, hindi rin maganda yung everyday may snow kasi nga pagpapasok ka sa trabaho, mahirap. Tapos pag yung kalsada madulas. So, oh my goodness. Pero pag mga ganitong moments na kami-kami lang at walang pasok, na-enjoy namin yung paglalaro sa snow. Oh my goodness. You are so handy, both of you. You wanna go home now?
No, I want to slide, but this time when you slide, me and you
Okay, first invite our subscribers. Please don't forget to...
subscribe.
What are they?
Subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Yeah, how about you, Rai Rai? What will you say to them? What will you say to Mommy? What will you say to Mommy? You don't know. Okay guys, until next
Daddy,
time.
can I do one more? But this time I have to do it like this, okay?
Okay, just remember to them first.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.